Many people think that between is only used for two things, and when there are more than two things, we need to use among. However, this is not actually true. Yes, when there are two things, we do usually use between, and when there are more than two things, we do usually use among. But this is not just because of the number. The real reason is how we are thinking about those things. We use between when we are thinking about specific people or things separately. For example, I sat between John and Mike. When I say John and Mike, you can immediately understand which two people I'm talking about. We use among when we're thinking about a group as a whole. For example, I sat among my friends. There, you don't know exactly who they are because I didn't mention any of them individually. And in that example, there probably are more than two friends. But that's not the reason we use among there. The real reason is that we are thinking about them as a group, not as separate individuals.